Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands and amazing bargains. So if that's what you're into, keep watching. All right, you guys. So the other day, my husband and I are out and I'm like, I want to get some nail polish, a dark green. And then I decided I want like a glitter. I know I need to redo them, but so I end up at CVS, right? And I'm walking along and they have some like brands that I've never seen before, or that they have a lot of different stuff. I'm more of a Walgreens girly. I don't know why, or I was, but I think that might have changed. Anyway, I'm looking and I see something and I'm like, whoa, 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 time out, time out, time out, time out. This can't be real. It can't be real. And then I look at the price tag and I'm like, this can't be. Well, it was, and it is. And Pat McGrath Labs at CVS for $20. So, we're going to use this palette today. It's the Mothership XI, I guess that's 6. Why is my brain even trying to process that? Sunlit Seduction palette. You guys, it's real. She's real. She is real. She is beautiful. And she was $20 at CVS. Here she is in all of her beauty. You see that? Absolutely gorgeous. So that's what we're going to film with today. And I picked up, they had another larger palette, so I picked that up as well. This one is the Luminous Legends palette. I have been using it this past week. Sorry, you guys. Would it be a video without me having hair all over my face? No, it would not. I have trouble getting this one out of the packaging. I mean, you guys, it's real. I've been using it. This is a mighty fine palette. Oh, just look at that. So pretty. Yeah, I can't explain why Pat McGrath is there and why it's $20, but because, like, I don't know. Even if you're wanting to, like, discount the palettes, it doesn't make sense, but yeah. It is what it is, but I'm glad I picked them up. I'm really excited. And also, W7 is another product I've seen products online, but they actually had them in store. Crap. Did I turn my microphone on? Hold on. As I'm telling you, like, you forget to turn your mic off once and you will, like, forever be scarred by it. Turn on, not off. If I said off, I don't know. Anyway, these W7s, Lip Culture Soft Satin Lipsticks, these are so freaking good. This is a shade L-Word. Oh, it's so pretty. I think that's what we're going to do this one today. Then I also picked up the shade Naked Desire. I wore that a couple days ago. Freaking gorgeous. Can you see that? Everything is looking blurry to me. Is my camera not focusing? Oh, ish. Oh, bish. Hold it for a second. Y'all, I don't think we're focusing. Are we focusing? Or is it because I'm too close? Maybe it's because I'm too close. Hopefully, you guys, I hope that this is in focus. I apologize if it's not. Let's throw that lipstick on. But yeah, and these are like $4 something, and they're really, really nice. So I just wanted to share that with you. So I think Dawn went by her CVS. Again, Walgreens girly. I'm going to get them confused. CVS. And she said they didn't have any. I don't know if Tracy's had a chance to go because, like, I told them. And I think Kimmy was maybe going to try too. But yeah, you guys, I literally live in the middle of nowhere. Nothing special. So I don't know why my store would have these and no one else would. Okay. So this is the, I'm always going to forget the name of this palette because it's like a longer name. The Sunlit Seduction Mothership palette. Okay. So let's go in, and there is a thing in here with the names. But I think probably, yeah, with the names, but we're just going to point and go because, yeah. I like these names though. Maybe I'll try and hold it up here and see if my brain can translate from there to the palette. So we're gonna do the same look as well. I need to get going. My car might be leaking coolant now. Not sure, it just has none in it, but I've kind of neglected it in that department. All right, let's go with Nude Rose, which is this shade right here. We're gonna start out with that one. This is a very hefty palette, by the way. Like, she ain't playing. Like, she is heavy duty. The other one is cardboard packaging, so it's a lot lighter, a lot easier to handle. It's pretty. And we're gonna do the same look on both eyes again, you guys, just because. And I'm gonna be getting a bang trim next Friday. So that'll be nice. My husband was supposed to do orientation starting on the 2nd, which is this coming Tuesday, but he's heard nothing, so I'm assuming they're probably gonna find some reason to push it back a week. That seems to be their thing. Let's push it back a week. Push it back a week. Who needs money? Who needs to work these days? You know, just everything's just dandy. But yeah, so I don't know. I mean, maybe they are just that last minute and they'll send something to him Monday, but he's gotten in the habit of sleeping all day, and like I'm afraid he's gonna miss it and then somehow miss orientation, and I'm just getting really stressed about it. But I don't know. I just really hope he gets to work soon, because I wanted to do something nice for my mom for Christmas, because it very well could be her last Christmas. And if he doesn't go back to work, I'm not gonna be able to, because all my money goes towards bills. So let's just, hopefully he starts work on the 2nd, just orientation, and then starts work right after that. All right, we're gonna go in with the shade Extreme Vermilion Dusk, which is this shade right here, and we're just gonna deepen up that crease. But yeah, yesterday was Thanksgiving. My mom's other knee is starting to give out. If you remember, like a couple months ago, she like had a really bad arthritis flare up to the point that she could barely walk. A few months ago, it's probably more like 5 months ago. So now she's like, her good knee is starting to feel like that. So yeah, just really kind of worried. And yeah, hopefully she'll be okay. We've just kind of, you know, we're going through it. We're going through it. I know so many of you are, and I am so sorry. And also, I did like a little community post, and thank you everyone for being just so kind and awesome. And I really am thankful for all of you. You have no idea. I love this little community that we've built. We're supportive, we care for each other, and I think it's really cool. Also, thinking about the lives, I'm probably, when my husband stops working, let's hope he does not stop working again. When he starts working again, our only day off together is going to be Sunday. So I'm probably not going to do lives on Sunday. I'm thinking about doing them Saturday nights. So hopefully that will work for everyone. And I don't know that, oh, I'm sorry. The shade Sienna Mystique right here is going to be our lower lash shade. Sorry, I'm getting a little ahead of myself there. But I'm just hoping that that would work for most of you, because my days off are Saturday and Sunday. So therefore, like, we need to, you know, we'll need to spend Sunday together and do stuff. And because we, like, with him being off too, like, we still don't see each other much. But I work a lot. There's been a lot of things that have happened, and yeah, I don't know. Like, I don't know. I'm just kind of taking this brush and kind of blending that out a little bit, because I just feel like I need to. Oh, there goes another something on my face. But yeah, I don't know. We just don't see each other much. Like, we just don't. So, but we never really have, but it just, I don't know. Things have just been really rough the last several months. So I'm hoping, like, once he gets in a routine and starts working again, hoping that'll, like, help and things will be less stressful, because, like, I need a little help, you know. So hopefully, yeah, things will calm down. hopefully he'll get a paycheck before Christmas. Yeah, because I've just been dumping all my money into my vehicle and bills. So yeah, it is what it is. There are lots of new drugstore products out. I did place a TikTok shop order for some stuff, which is supposed to be delivered today. So I'm hoping I can do like a video on that, because I got a really awesome bargain. Like, Black Friday sales sucked this year, but TikTok shop was phenomenal. Like, so good. So if you are on TikTok, and YouTube, don't get mad at me for saying this, if you would have an awesome shopping platform, I'd be talking about you. But yeah, it's where it's at. So highly recommend that. All right, let's go with Astral Pink Fetish. That's this shade right here. It looks kind of flippy and just really gorgeous. I don't know. I feel like we're not focusing. There we go. I feel like that's okay. All right. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing some drugstore reviews. Hopefully y'all are okay with that. I know I was like the indie girl. My paycheck just can't afford that anymore. And then this is like a luxury brand, but I got it for $20. So that's the only way I'm able to do this. But like I said, hopefully once my husband starts working, God, I don't know why I keep saying stop working, because holy crap, we can't have that. We really can't. Starts working again, you know, things will calm down and I will be able to put money towards some things to kind of go towards this channel, and hopefully that will help. So we just, you know, I just had to be patient, go through the suck, lose every penny to my name again, and then things will hopefully get a little better. I hope. But yeah, it's just been a rough couple months. Well, it's actually been a rough life, but these last couple months, it really, me and my heart goes out to you if y'all are like trying to run it on one income and you don't make anything near 6 figures. Like, it's hard. 'Tis hard. So my heart goes out to you, because it's rough. It is rough. All right, this is absolutely gorgeous. Big fan of this. It's just so beautiful, and it's simple and just all the good things. Like, I just, it's beautiful. I like it. $120 beautiful. Hell to the no. But $20, yes. 40, yeah. 50, yeah. But I would not pay like anything near full price. Like I said, the only reason I got this is because I picked it up at CVS for $20, which I still can't believe that. All right. Let's go with, I'm feeling this kind of goldy shade, Astral Gilded Aura. These names just got me. So this one right here. And you guys, if you have seen these at your CVS, like, let me know, because I know that there's no way that my CVS is the only one that had these. Like, it's just literally not possible. All right, you guys, this is just, it's just so beautiful, so simple. I'm gonna go throw on some eyeliner, some mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back. If you know, you know. All right, let's do a little final look-see. Alright, you guys. I got a little crazy with the mascara sometimes. I do that. Yeah, this is a beautiful, fun, simple look, you guys. I love it. This was the Mcgrath Mothership Sunlit Seduction palette. This packaging is gorgeous as well. I know I need to take the plastic off. I just haven't made it that far yet. Here's another look at the inside of the palette. And again, you guys, I did get this at CVS for $20. I have my receipt right here. You can read this. It's so small, but like the two, like number 2 and number 3 on the line, it's the Pat McGrath. And you can see. Maybe you can't. Is that focusing? I don't know. But yeah, again, I did pick up some other things, but you can see. But yeah. Give it a second to refocus. $20. Absolutely insane. If you guys have found these in your CVS stores, again, let me know. And did you just find these? They had some of the smaller versions of the Luminous Legends. They had some quads as well, but I don't remember exactly what those were, but holy crap, insane. So you guys, that is it. If you can do me a huge favor, give this a thumbs up, comment anything down below. Like if you're here and you're watching, but you never comment, just say hi. Because that helps me so much. That tells the algorithm, hey, people are watching, people care, let's push this out. And that right there is what helps you. If you're a tiny micro creator like I am, you need the algorithm to notice you, and that's how you do it. So if you guys want to help me out, I would appreciate that so much. I am so thankful for all of you. Remember, you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next one.